Ready for reading and start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, at the outset, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to you for having given me an opportunity to participate in this discussion on the demands for grants to participate in this discussion. Full stop and stanza. Sir, this government is going to complete its 2 years term on 19th June 1993. Full stop. In the last 2 years, I have been closely watching how this government is taking keen interest to help this unorganized sector. Full stop. This is the major rural sector comprising about 70% of the population, but in all the three budgets which they have presented before this house, full stop, I am sorry to say the government has not shown any keen interest in the first budget. We demanded the government to agree to constitute a committee to go into pricing policy of fertilizers, full stop. Ultimately, a person of the recommendations of the Joint Parliamentary Committee, which suited the government, was accepted, and the fertilizers the control was done. Full stop and stanza. Now, I would like to say how this government has taken a callous attitude towards the farming community. Full stop. In the last budget, various concessions were given only to the affluent sections of the society and not to the farming community, except a reduction of the excise duty on the tractors which are above 1800 cc and the tractors which are below 1800 cc have not been touched. Full stop. Of course, the Honorable Finance Minister, while replying to the general discussion on the budget, had said that the Prime Minister is considering to give certain concessions as far as the fertilizer prices are concerned. Full stop. All of a sudden, what made the government to reconsider the question of reducing the price of fertilizers to give some concessions? Question mark. It is because all these friends who have got various political ideologies have shown their bit of mind and said that this time they are going to move a copy motion to see that the government agrees to reduce the fertilizer prices. Full stop. So now at this stage I would like to make an appeal to all sections of the house irrespective of the political parties and to such of those members who are really interested in uplifting the farming community to forget the party alliances. Full stop. At the time of voting, everyone of the ruling party members is also equally interested to see that this farming community is given its proper due share. Full stop and over.